quick tip video when dealing with a spongy brake pedal after recent brake work. And I'm talking about we had to crack open the lines and we introduced air into the system. And of course we got it all buttoned back up. We bled the system properly and we still have spongy brakes. Now that can happen on a lot of Hondas because air can get trapped in the ABS modulator, which on this 8th generation Civic, that ABS modulator is located right there. So extra air can get trapped in there. Now on certain vehicles there is a specific procedure that we need to follow when bleeding brakes with ABS. But on a lot of Hondas we just do it the conventional way. It doesn't matter if the vehicle has ABS or not. So in the case of this Honda Civic right here, I replaced the brake booster, got everything buttoned back up, bled the brakes properly, and of course we want to make sure we do it in the correct sequence. So on this vehicle and on a lot of Hondas it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's what I did. And then I tested it out and we had a spongy brake pedal. So I figured, okay, we most likely have a little bit of air trapped in that ABS modulator. Now when I bled the brakes the first time, I used this contraption here. Now when I run across this problem, I'm not going to use this the second time. What I like to do in that case is I will crack open the bleeder here and I will let it gravity bleed for a couple minutes. And then I'll button it up, and then I will do it the conventional way. While I'll need an assistant, I'll have them get in the driver's seat, pump the brakes, and we crack it open, and we do it like we have for many years. No special fancy tools or anything like that. And typically doing it twice, and that's what I had to do on this one. I went around on all 4 and then I did it the second time on all 4, and that got rid of the remaining air that was trapped in the system, and now this brake pedal feels perfect. So if you ever come across this situation after you've done some recent work, just keep this in mind. Sometimes extra air gets trapped in these ABS modulators and we got to do it a couple more times to get rid of it. And as always, if the video helped you out, you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.